How to pin your friend as BFF number one on Snapchat. Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and in this very video tutorial I will be teaching you how you can pin your friend as BFF number one on Snapchat. For this, at first you have to launch your very Snapchat application on your device. Then you can go to the message like icon here. Now you have to tap the very friend to whom you would like to pin as the BFF number one. After tapping on your friend like this, you can see the very option like this here. Now you can pin your friend as BFF number one by tapping on the option of pin here. Now one thing you have to remember is that in order to just pin the person as the best friend number one, you have to have the Snapchat Plus version. Therefore, you have to go to the option of next. You have to subscribe it. Sometimes the subscription may not be available for your reason. Therefore, you have to wait for the while until it's available in your reason. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.